People ask me all the time, how do you host a book club for kids? And I tell them, it's easy. If I can do it, you can do it too. But I know a lot of people who really want to start a book club, especially if they're tutors and reading tutors even more so. And they overcomplicate things because it is easy to get overwhelmed in the process. You have to pick books, you have to pick a time, you have to find the kids, you have to find the families, you have to find the moms, you have to figure it all out. Well, that is why I created my Book Club Blueprint Essentials Launchpad. It is the workbook that will help you with all of the things, and it's full of the shortcuts. You don't have to go through the years of experience that I went through to narrow down what works and what doesn't work. And for $17, you'll literally have it in your hands today, and you'll be able to build your book clubs. And if you want my personal help, I will walk you through how to pick a book, how to fill the seats, and how to get kids showing up joyfully each week. Now, my coaching spots are limited. I only have a few of them open this month, and once they're filled for the season. There won't be another option until this winter. So if you want my guidance, getting you step by step through the process, then I suggest you run and grab that seat now. But again, you can always opt for the Essentials plan that'll get you started and has everything you need. All of my secrets are in there. Click the link below for the option that fits you best right now. And let's build your book club of dreams instead of dreaming of book clubs.